The first basic crystal system is the cubic. The first basic crystal system is the cubic. Second type of basic crystal system is the tetragonal. After the tetragonal, the third type of basic crystal system is called orthorhombic. After the orthorhombic, the fourth type of basic crystal system is called hexagonal. It is called rhombohedral. Rhombohedral is also called trigonal. Rhombohedral is also called trigonal. After the rhombohedral, the next type of basic crystal system is the monoclinic. It is the sixth type, monoclinic. And the last type of crystal system is the triclinic. Last type of crystal system is the triclinic. Then what are the possible variations? Okay, what kind of shells they can show? They can be the simple unit cell, they can be the body centered unit cell, they can be the face centered unit cell, they can be the end centered unit cell. So in the cubic system, we can have the simple unit cell or primitive unit cell. It can be the body centered unit cell also. It can be the face centered unit cell also. In the tetragonal, it can be the body centered and it can be the simple unit cell. But in the orthorhombic, all the four are possible. It can be the simple unit cell, it can be the body centered unit cell, it can be the face centered unit cell, and it can be the end centered unit cell. Hexagonal, only simple is possible. Rhombohedral, only simple unit cell is possible. In the monoclinic, two are possible. What is that? One is the simple unit cell and one is the end centered unit cell. In the triclinic, only simple unit cell is possible. So now let's count. It should be the 14 because we know basic crystal system are the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But total Bravais lattices, it should be the 14. How it is so? 1, 2, 3. Cubic can be the simple, cubic can be the body centered, cubic can be the face centered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So we have 14 types of different Bravais lattices. Now the edge length student, in the cubic, A is equal to B is equal to C. In the tetragonal, A is equal to B but B is not equal to C. In the orthorhombic, A is equal to B, A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. In the hexagonal, A is not equal to B, not equal to C. In the rhombohedral, A is equal to B is equal to C. In the monoclinic, A is not equal to B, not equal to C. Triclinic, A is not equal to B, not equal to C. Then let's come to the interfacial angle. Here alpha is equal to the beta is equal to the gamma is equal to 90. In the tetragonal, alpha is equal to the beta is equal to the gamma is equal to 90. In the next one, orthorhombic, again alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. Now in the hexagonal it is alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 and gamma is equal to 120. Now the next one, rhombohedral. In the rhombohedral, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, but they are not equal to 90. We have monoclinic. In the monoclinic, alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90, but beta is not equal to 120. In this one, no one is equal to each other. Alpha is not equal to beta, not equal to gamma, and they are also not equal to 90 degree. Now the example of the cubic, examples of the cubic are the NaCl, zinc blende, ZnS and copper. Then the next tetragonal we have white tin. Second one is the SnO2, stannic oxide. Next one is the TiO2, titanium dioxide, and the next one is the calcium sulfate. Now we have the next orthorhombic. In this case we have the rhombic sulfur, KNO3, potassium nitrate and BaSO4, barium sulfate. The hexagonal we have again two examples. These are the graphite, then zinc oxide ZnO, and CdS, cadmium sulfide. Rhombohedral, again we have the two example. One first example is called calcite. Calcite is one of the crystalline form of the CaCO3, and also we have cinnabar. Cinnabar is the mercuric sulfide, HgS. Next one we have the monoclinic. Monoclinic examples are the monoclinic sulfur Na2SO4 dot 10 H2O, K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate, and H3BO3 orthoboric acid, and CuSO4 dot 5 H2O copper sulfate pentahydrate, which is also called blue vitriol. The technique which I am going to give you, that technique I also use to remember this table. छोटू हमारा मैथमेटिशियन नंबर लाता 3241121. First you see छोटू stand for the CTO, छोटू. हमारा HR, हमारा. Mathematician, MT mathematician. Then how I have used C stand for the cubic. Then corresponding to the C we have the number 3. Corresponding to C we have the number 3. So we know that we have simple unit cell, body centered unit cell, face centered unit cell, and end centered unit cell. Corresponding to C, we have the number 3. So remember, for the C, it is first 3. For the cubicle, the first 3 types of unit cells are possible. So that is why I have written here simple, body centered, and face centered. Then after the C, what we have? We have the T. T stands for the tetragonal, and corresponding to the T, the number is the 2. Corresponding to the T, the number is the 2. So in the tetragonal, we have the first 2. Check. Corresponding to the T, number is the 2, and we have the first 2 in the tetragonal. Then after the chotu, C, T, O, now we have the O. O is stand for the orthorhombic, and corresponding to the O, the number is 4. So in the O, we have all the 4. That is the S, B, F, E. Now हमारा HR. H stand for the hexagonal. H stand for the hexagonal, and in the hexagonal, the number corresponding to the H is 1. So we have only simple unit cell, first simple unit cell. After the H, we have the R. R stand for the rhombohedral, and corresponding to the R, the number is again 1. So we have the first one here also. So it is also simple. Then हमारा mathematician, MT, mathematician. M stand for the monoclinic, and corresponding number to the M is the 2. So remember, it is the first and last. Simple and end centered. 2 unit cells are there. Those are first and last. Now last one, mathematician, T. So T corresponding to the T, the number is the 1. Corresponding to the T, the number is the 1. So T stand for the triclinic, and in the triclinic we have only the first one. So it is very easy way to remember the first 2 column, and if you remember the first 2 column, almost more than 50% work is over now. Now how to remember the edge length? It is also very easy. Look, in first one all are equal. In the second one is not equal. In the third one, no one is equal. So one by one I am putting the not equal to sign here. In the first one all are equal sign. In the next one is not equal. In the third one, no one is equal. First one all are equal. In the second one, 2 are equal. In the third one, no one is equal. Then what you have to do, student, you have to put a mirror here. Put a mirror in such a way so the image of the second will appear on the fourth, image of the second will appear on the fourth, and image of the first will appear on the fifth. So image of the second, please write here, A is equal to B not equal to C, A is equal to B not equal to C, and image of the first will appear on the fifth. A is equal to B is equal to C, A is equal to B is equal to C. But last two, no one is equal to each other. A is not equal to B and it is not equal to C. Similarly, the last one, A is not equal to B, not equal to C. Now about the interfacial angle, let's see. In the first three, all the three are equal. In the first three, all the three are equal. It is easy to remember. First three, all the three are equal. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. Then let's come to the hexagonal. Student, you remember the shape of the hexagonal? In the hexagon, we always have one angle as 120. we always have one angle as 120. So you see the same I have done here. Alpha and beta are the 90 and gamma is equal to 120. Then in the next one, alpha and beta are gamma equal to each other, but they are not equal to the 90 degree. They are not equal to the 90 degree. The next one, monoclinic, alpha and gamma are equal to 90, but beta is not equal to 120. Alpha and gamma is equal to 90, but beta is not equal to 120. And last one, no one is equal to each other. Alpha is not equal to beta, beta is not equal to gamma, and gamma is not equal to the 90. So by using this simple method, almost you can remember the first 4 columns of this table.